What's up, humans? So everyone been asking me about my Skyline ER34 Liberty Walk. I'm not frustrating, it's just that whenever I go to anywhere, I see somebody at the event, they keep asking me. It's just like I need to tell everyone one by one the same story because my car is doing the engine right now. It's not easy. So I clarify right here, more easy for you all. First thing, the body kit is already done but still didn't paint. By that time, you need to cut the bumper inside a little bit because of the intercooler. So by that time, I need to change a new intercooler, which is a G-Ready. I collab with G-Ready and Tomei together. So the intercooler is very big size. They need to chop off the bumper a little bit. After that, the intercooler impossible, I'm gonna use back the previous one. So I straight need to do the piping. When you want to do the piping, you need to measure the titanium piping. You need to put in the intake manifold, the banana from Tonka, turbo, everything. Everything become messy, you know. From the first start, it's just like gonna put in the body kit and then just straight away go to the whatever car show without building the engine yet. But it's not my mistake, it's because one by one you need to measure everything. Because of the bumper, we need to change the intercooler, and then the intercooler we need to straight do the hose, it's titanium hose, and then after that, because of the hose, I need to put in my intake. After you take out the intake and exhaust manifold, we put in the new one. We still cannot put in a gasket inside because the engine still didn't rebuild. So everything in Cantonese we say check my all together. So now towing back to SP, I straight take out the engine. You know, luckily when I purchased this car, the engine, if I drive for another few hundred kilometers, I think the engine gone. Okay, because when we take out everything, it's become like engine kosong. We take a look inside, it's freaking nabu, the jikyang dirty, and then still got steel or whatever at the filter, and then the head was not nice, the water pump not nice, many things many things. So every day keep rushing my mechanic Alun. We already go and bore the piston, and then the Tomei RB28 kit is already inside. Okay, the piston is already inside. Tomorrow we still processing on the head, and a lot of parts ordering is coming tomorrow. And lucky for the RB engine, RB25, a lot of example like a top set rubber and all those gasket you can purchase at Shopee. It's not Shopee Motorsport. A lot of spare part, they also got Shopee as well at Malaysia, right? So I purchased at Shopee as well, the top set, the rubber, everything, and also the exhaust gasket, everything. Basically, a lot of things is almost complete. It's just need to assemble. One thing it takes time is because the previous owner, this car is using Haltech Sport 2000. I know it's a quite old ECU, standalone. All the wiring harness, they tap into the original ECU. So which means my standalone, it's like a piggyback like this, and the wiring is very messy. So I need to pull out all my harness and go and make a new harness for this car, which is because of the bumper. We change intercooler, then everything goes one by one until the engine part we straight sekali do everything. And I didn't know that the die cast were coming out so fast, because a lot of people that got this die cast actually is from Japan. Liberty Walk exclusive Mini GT, okay, the yellow super silhouette. So after the harness is done, we're gonna try to just plug in everything and open a fine tune, not tuning, it's just like opening a original mapping for my car to either more smoothly and can running, because I cannot tune directly. We just put in the stroker kit, everything's new, so need to running. So by that time, gonna towing back KL, so it's only left few weeks for the painting job. Need to rushing to out of speed, but I'm not sure, I'm not guaranteed. It's not my fault, I also stress, and it's not my problem if my car cannot done, because we are keep rushing every day. But definitely my car will be at Singapore Diecast Expo before Tokyo Auto Saloon, okay, at October. Singapore Diecast Expo is at September end. And then after that, we're towing back to KL, straight directly to Tokyo Auto Saloon, Malaysia, October 234. So if my car, in case, I just tell you all, in case cannot make it at out of speed, really not my fault. I try to rush for you all guys. Hopefully, sempat. Alright? Stress.